This video will show you how to create port forwarding on your Comcast router. First, you will need to go to the Start menu and under the search bar, type in Network Connections. Select View Network Connections and locate Local Area Connection. Right-click Local Area Connection and click Status. Then locate Details and click Details. Now on the Network Connections details, you're going to locate the gateway, close everything out, and go to your Internet Explorer. On the Internet Explorer, type in the gateway you had, and you should log into your credential screen. On your Comcast Business Gateway, type in your user ID and password. Typically this is a default, and hit login. You're going to go ahead and go to your LAN network, find the IP addresses that are available under the DHCP, and you're going to make sure that you're going to assign your DVR as a static IP outside of what the IP address ends. In this scenario, 10.1.10.199 is where your IP address ends, so I'm going to add this IP address as 10.1.10.205. Keep the subnet the same, of course put the same default gateway, and then just put a generic DNS server number of 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Close out all the applications. Reopen your gateway screen and redo your credentials. Click Firewall and Port Configuration. Select Add New, and on the Add New screen, this is where we can add the application name. I typically keep SSDVR as the name. The port ranges are going to be 50/50 under public and 50/50 under private. Protocol, you want it under TCP. And now the IP address that we created for the DVR is 10.1.10.205. Once you're finished, click Apply. Now make sure on the screen that you enable the port forward that you just created, simply by selecting the checkbox and clicking Apply. Now in order to know if this works, you can go to canyouseeme.org and check port 50/50 and see if it works. If you get a success screen, great, this worked. If you did not get a success screen, I would probably restart the router and just double check again. Once this is finished, just close out all your applications and start working online.